Hello, how are you my lovely students? Are you enjoying the videos and having fun of the season? I know it's very hot, but stay at home and watch the videos and complete the notes. Okay students, so we were on chapter 6, that is factors and multiples. This video is our part 5 video. In this we will be discussing our exercise 4th topics on page number 45 of your textbook. Okay students, so we will discuss the topic which is in exercise 4. The topic is least common multiple, or I can say LCM, on page number 44. So are my students ready with the book, pen and with the rubber to solve a sum along with ma'am? So let's have a look on it. So students, now we will discuss the topic, that is least common multiple. Okay students, we are on page number 44 of our textbook. Okay.
Least common multiple, LCM. LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number which is a multiple of each of the numbers. Example, consider the numbers 3 and 4. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18.
So students, first LCM of two or more number is the smallest number which is a multiple of each of them. इन दोनों का LCM निकालना मतलब इन दोनों में से कोई smallest number जो दोनों के अंदर common हो. Okay students, when we see multiple of 3 and multiple of 4 means पहले पूरा 3 का table लेगा and I'll write the table of 4. Common multiple of 3 and 4 are 12, common multiple of 12, 12, 24, 24. Okay students, the common multiple of 3 and 4 are 12 and 24. But out of these two, which one is least or which one is smaller? 12. So my answer will be least common multiple is 12. Okay students.
In 21, 24, 27, 30. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Common multiples of 3 and 4 are 12, 24. Least common multiple is 12. Thus, least common multiple LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. We can find the LCM of two or more numbers by A. Prime factor of
Student, in this also we have two methods to multiply or to find the LCM. The first method is prime factorization and the second method is common division method. Okay students?
factorization method. B. Common division method. LCM by prime factorization method. Example, find the LCM of 40, 36 and 84 by the prime factorization method. Solution. We shall first find the prime factorization of each of these numbers.
Students, in the question it is said that you are supposed to find the prime factorization method and you are supposed to find the LCM by prime factorization method. In that, what you will do? You will be solving each one separately. Like आप पहले 41 को solve करोगे, फिर 36 को, फिर 84 को. Okay students?
But 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Observe the prime factorizations carefully. Prime factor 2 occurs maximum 3 times in 40. Prime factor 3 occurs maximum 2 times in 36. Prime factors 5 and 7 occur only once in 40 and 84 respectively. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 is equal to.
So students, let's have a quick discussion. When it is asked that you have to calculate the LCM on the basis of prime factorization, what you will do? You will calculate it separately, like 40, 36 and 84. Now 40, 36 and 84. अब आपको ये आता है करना अच्छे से. You know this. Like 40, 2 20s are 2 10s are 2 5s are 2 1s are. You know this. But there's little bit difference that how to calculate the LCM. Now when you observe this, यहाँ पर 2 3 बार आ रहा है, यहाँ पर 2 times, and in this 84 2 appears 2 times. So मैं हर एक का 2 ले लूँगी. 2 into 2 into 3. फिर आप देखोगे हर एक में 3 की पैर होगी. 1 3 2 3. Then 5 and 7. Understood students? इसके अंदर हम क्या करेंगे? हम लेंगे सबको, बट जो सबसे ज्यादा है हम सिर्फ एक ही बार लेंगे. Understood? Like 40 में मैंने क्या लिया? 2 और 5 लिया. 36 में मैं क्या लूँगी? 2 into 3. 84 में आएंगे 2 into 3 into 7. कोई भी नंबर छूट नहीं जाना चाहिए. जो हम मैक्सिमम में एक के अंदर हम एक ही लेंगे. In this 36 में 2 times है, 3 2 times है. So I will take only 2 into 3. Okay students?
2520. Facts about HCF and LCM. The HCF of two co-prime numbers is 1. The LCM.
So students, here we complete the discussion of LCM. Now we will have a look upon the exercise. Are my students ready? Let's have a look. So students, we are on exercise 4. Page number 45 of chapter 6, factors and multiples. We will be solving our question number 1, that is LCM by prime factorization. In that, we will be solving the H1, that is 12, 18, 24, 36. Okay? So are my students ready for the solution? Let's have a look on this. What was we watched in the video? What we watched in the video? Yes, we watched that in prime factorization we have to do the single. So now I will be solving single. Okay students, the question is 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. I need to reach till 1. So what मेरे 12 का आंसर क्या आएगा? I will write afterwards. Now it comes to the next question was 18. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are. Okay students. Now the question is 24. 2 12s are 2 6s are 2 3s are 3 1s are. Okay students, now the question is 36. 2, okay, 2 1s are 2, 1 बार चला गया तो 2 6 जा 18, 2 9 जा 3 3 जा 3 1 जा. Okay students, I done. Now let's start it. First, should I write the LCM again or I should write कि मैं एक में से क्या क्या लूंगी? चलो एक काम करते हैं, हम साथ में सब कुछ लिख लेते हैं. Okay, so I will write the LCM of 12, 18, 24 and 36 equals to. Now we will write. Okay, in this 2 कितनी बार आ रहा है maximum? 2 times. तो मैं इन दो 2 में सिर्फ एक ही 2 लूंगी, 2 into ये 3 as it is. चलो ये वाला मेरा done. Now in this 3 comes 2 times. तो इन दोनों के बदले में कितना 3 लूंगी? सिर्फ एक बार लूंगी, into 3. फिर ये 2 अकेला है तो I will add this 2 also. Now this is also done. Now we will come on 24. 24 में 2 मेरा कितनी टाइम्स है? 3 times. तो मैं 3 बार 2 नहीं लूंगी. I will only consider single 2. And this 3 is alone I will consider this 2. Now in this 2 दो बार है, 3 और 3 is also twice. Now what I will be doing? Out of this 2 twice I will take only 1 2 और 3 जो 2 times था उसमें से मैं सिर्फ एक बार लूंगी. Now I will be doing the multiplication. एक काम करते हैं, ये थोड़ा ना डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा मुझे मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए. मैं क्या करूंगी, सारे पहले मैं 2 को अरेंज कर दूंगी, फिर मैं सारे 3 को अरेंज कर दूंगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, मैं सिर्फ उसे रीऑर्डर कर रही हूँ, रीअरेंज कर रही हूँ और मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ. 1 2 3 4. 2 कितने टाइम है? 4 टाइम्स. 1 2 3 4. नाउ 3 कितनी टाइम है? 1 2 3 4. तो 3 भी 4 टाइम है. 1 2 3 4. Now I will find my answer. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and this 3 is left. So when I multiply 16 into 3 into 27, I will be getting my final answer. Okay students, the main point was कि हम कौन-कौन से नंबर्स कंसीडर करेंगे और कौन-कौन से नंबर कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे. Okay students, now yes, we will solve one sum of question number 2. Are my students ready? Let's start it. The question number 2 is, we are supposed to find the LCM of the following number by common division method. By common division method. Now I will be doing my common division. Let's take C1. Okay, 30 and 75. Common में क्या होता है कि you will not make a separate. We will be solving in one only, like this. 30, 75. मुझे एक ऐसा टेबल सिलेक्ट करना है कि ये उन दोनों में जाता हो. That is 5. 5 6 are 30. 5 1s are 5. 5 15s are. Now 6 and 15 in one common table. 3. 3 2s are 3. 5s are. Now if I wish, I can do like 2 1s are 2, 5 1s are 5. Or if I wish, I can simply complete it here. Like this. Now I will multiply this 5 into 3 and 2 into 5. ये दोनों प्राइम नंबर्स हैं. जब भी मैं एक प्राइम नंबर पे आके खत्म हो जाए, then I will multiply it simple. So I will multiply 5 into 3 into 2 into 5. So my answer will be will be 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 35s are 150. My answer will be 150. Understood, students? Which method do you like the most? Common division or prime factorization? Especially I like the common division because it is so easy, right? So now we will be discussing about our worksheets. So students, we watched almost two. So students, we solved two sums of the exercise. Now the remaining exercise you will be solving as a part of your worksheet as well as you will be solving in the notebook. Okay students, that's all for today. Here we complete our exercise 4. In next video, we will be discussing with the next topic, new day. So, till that, bye, take care, have fun students.